ये क्या है? ये wheeze नहीं है, crackle नहीं है, ronchi नहीं है. These are all sounds of your lower airway, which you can hear by a stethoscope when you put. If you hear a sound when you are standing, that is stridor. Stridor indicates an upper airway obstruction, not a lower airway obstruction. And if you have got a lower airway obstruction, then definitely you call medicine people, you have time. Because lower airway बड़ा है, upper airway एक tube है. So any point of time, if you are wasting time in calling the right person for an upper airway obstruction, the patient might lose life. And that is what happened with the patient. By the time I reached and we did something, the patient lost her life. But what we found in that patient was something which was very critical. You know what had happened? She had swallowed a hard-boiled egg. A hard-boiled egg hota hai. She had swallowed. And because she was old, that egg got stuck. She didn't have very good reflexes. That egg got stuck and she couldn't get it out.